Welcome back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today Vivo X30 Pro camera test. Camera wise, this device main highlight, main camera 48 megapixel with support OIS. Vivo name it's gimbal OIS. Anyways, this device supports super steady mode. How is it work? Okay, just I'm take one video in outdoor. Just I'm running. Okay, let's find stability and autofocus. What about you think guys? It's really gimbal camera or just name only gimbal camera, otherwise it's useless. You have an idea? Okay, just look the sample first. Can just play the one. Stability is good, not bad, but autofocus range is not good. See guys, focus is a little bit not perfect. Yeah, it's not perfect. Okay, stability is good, but focus range is a little bit downgraded. Okay guys, just look some camera samples. First sample, just zoom in the sample. Photo wise quality is not bad. Let's look some samples guys. Next one, portrait test. 12 megapixel portrait 2x optical zoom lens. Portrait quality is really good. Edge detection is also good. Yeah, I like edge detection.
你要挠我痒痒。你帮我再走。可是你刚刚又没给我身份证号呀。
都是有点你。
咋？你跟你邻居就走不得了？
你跟你大队长就走不得了。
你有仰视过谁吗？
我之前看到一个好玩的那种，就博主拍的那种东西，他就说千万不要就是在累了的时候躺在男朋友的腿上，因为媳妇跟我说你那么平时爸爸妈妈不懂，爸爸妈妈，感觉已经很久没有听到爸爸妈妈说过。对啊，我出来就出来还是爸妈不准，爸爸妈妈不准。我跟你说，我上来太强了，我出去玩的时候这么在外面，他们肯定不准让我跟我讲，我讲到别人家去，然后就来。
我今天就是，然后我爸说，你赶紧上来，我来接你。然后我跟你说，我爸爸超。
那你承认了，刘曼玲？
你听我说今天晚上是怎么回事？我听到，先说完，我再跟你说。是我，只要我奶奶可着急，因为我奶奶一着急。